one's gonna stay together, but one's never going to let go.